All right, GC, how's it going tonight? All right, as y'all know, we got a really big game, Battle of the Birds, first pep rally of the year, and we need y'all to show up and be super loud for our football players tonight. We're ending the streak this year. It's our year. We're beating Mayfield this year. We're going to do it tonight. We need all y'all there and all y'all to be super loud and all to wear your colors. Seniors need to wear black, juniors need to wear gray, freshmen need to wear white, and sophomores need to wear gray, and juniors need to wear blue.
And everyone has done an excellent job this week of participating in Spirit Week, and I think that we're all really pumped, and I know our football team is ready to beat Mayfield tonight. But as we are here to get pumped for the football game tonight, there are other fall sports that we do need to recognize. So I'm going to give the mic to Bailey Hawkins, and she's going to introduce our volleyball team seniors to y'all. So get loud for them.
Okay, we have Tori Wiggins, Megan Robinson, Megan Wilson, and Lindsay Medlin.
We need senior soccer players. Okay, we're going to start off with our boys. We have Daniel Heath, Mason Whitus, Emmanuel Arlano, Eamon Hannon, Hector Garcia, and that is all.
For the girls' soccer is Carly Clymer, Tiffany Duncan, Kaylee Elliott, Shelby Rogers, and Caitlin Rogers. And now for the football seniors. All right, we have Cole Bernard, Destin Holmes, Hector Garcia, Dustin Coles, Josh Carter, Brandon Barber, Joey Marshall, Keith Wiggins, Cody Kreider, Sean Frazier, Ryan Rowe, Tanner Hayden, Tim Kloss, Austin Patterson, Deontay Gray, Dylan Day, Dylan Reed, and Matt Smith. Give it up for our football seniors. Okay, now I'm here to introduce our all-girl cheerleading seniors. Come out real quick. Okay, first we have Elise Ballard, Mary Caitlin Hayden, Lexi Coleman, Lauren Womble, and Hannah Purcell. Get loud for them.
I'm introducing golf. For boys golf, Hayden Cash. For girls golf, Elise Ballard, Emily Whitnell, and Sarah Wilkerson.
Cross country. Cross country. Ryan Cruz, Ben Mathis, Daisy Thomas.
right, now the Flying Eagles Dance Squad is going to perform for us, so give it up for them.
I'm out of my mind, out of my mind. I'm out of my mind, out of my it's B.O. I'm out of my beat, out of my mind. I'm out of my mind, out of my mind. I'm out of my mind. GG got it on my home, I was doing fine. Once upon a time, till my brain left and it didn't say bye. Don't look at me wrong, I'm out of my mind. Like Nostradamus and Da Vinci combined. So paranoid of espionage. I'm out of my mind, out of my mind. I'm out of my mind, out of my it's B.O. I'm out of my beat, out of my mind. I'm out of my mind, out of my mind. I'm out of my mind. GG got it on my home, I was doing fine. Once upon a time, till my brain left and it didn't say bye. Don't look at me wrong, I'm out of my mind. Like Nostradamus and Da Vinci combined. So paranoid of espionage, I'm watching my doors and checking my lines. My brain's on vacation, they're telling me. And I'm bipolar to the severity. When I need medication, apparently. And some military convulsive therapy. I am a rebel, but yes, I'm so militant. Still I'm eligible for disabilities. I am psychotic, but there is no remedy. This is not figurative, this is literally. If these boys go dumb, I go to the mental facility. See, man, I'm so out there, I slap eyes with E.T. I don't need a picture, better want me eat them a la carte when I'm on this beat. If you feel the same as me, then you gotta agree. I'm out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind. I'm out of my mind, out of my mind. I'm out of my mind, out of my mind.
What's your name, P.O.B., so they calling you Bob? Stop playing, or you know that I'm known for the Bob. Couple hit songs, got you thinking you a heartthrob. Well, this thing sound good, make a no wanna solve. You don't need a feature, I'm the feature. You gon' be the priest, and I'ma be the preacher. You gon' be the him, I'ma be the shooter. You gon' be the grim, I'ma be the river. Not airplanes in the night skies like shooting stars. Well, you gon' really need a wish right now when my goons come through and start shooting stars.
Everybody stand up. We have a really big game tonight. Show your school spirit. Get up.
Don't make me take that microphone.
All right, and if you don't want to wear your colors this year, or tonight, you can also wear a superhero shirt in honor of Eli. And now we are going to do the Revolution Dance, and we're bringing it back. So, freshmen, pay attention.
Book of Revelation, chapter 7, verses 16 and 17. Yes, sir. They shall hunger no more, neither shall they thirst anymore. Preach, preacher. For God shall wipe away, yes, sir, every tear from their eye. Yes, sir. Get ready for the revolution. Come on. What you say? Come on. Do you want a revolution? Say, do you want a revolution? Do you want a revolution? Come on. Do you want a revolution? Sick and tired of my brothers killing each other. Sick and tired of daddies leaving
All right, now we're going to get the GCHS chant going. And juniors are going to say G. No, so y'all stay standing up. Don't sit
Stand
down.
up. Don't sit down.
We got juniors saying G, freshmen saying C, sophomores saying H, and seniors saying S.
Hey,
All right,
loudest
everybody,
group gets to leave first.
be loud. Get loud, all right? Juniors started off. Now what? We keep going?
One more time.
All right, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
All
Stop,
right,
stop, stop.
everybody, give yourselves a hand. That was really, really
Hey, good job.
But I do believe our seniors were the loudest. So, all right, good job, guys. Thank you for coming to the pep rally. Thank you for participating in Spirit Week and for showing out. I want to see everybody at the game tonight in their blue, black, white, and gray. Have a safe night. See you at the game.
Be loud.